Welcome to Practical C# for daily use. Today, we're diving deep into C# access modifiers, going beyond the basics of public and private. Understanding these modifiers is crucial for writing robust and maintainable code. What are access modifiers? Access modifiers in C# determine the visibility and accessibility of types and members within a program. We're all familiar with public and private, but C# offers more options to control access to your code. Let's see in general the most used ones. Public members are accessible from any part of the program. Great for methods and properties that need to be widely accessible. Private members are only accessible within the same class. Use them to encapsulate internal details and prevent external interference. The protected modifier allows access within the same class and its derived classes. It's perfect for building a hierarchy of classes. Members marked as internal are accessible within the same assembly. Use this for components tightly integrated within your application. The protected internal modifier allows access from the same assembly or derived classes. It offers a flexible level of accessibility. Now let's create a fresh Visual Studio project for our example. We use Visual Studio 2022 for this example. If you need help with the first steps or installation, check out my basic tutorial for C# to get an overview and start point. So let's start. For this example we need just a small UI. Only a button and a list box control is enough. After this is done, we create our test class. Student. In this public class we create some field and methods with different access modifier. Now we can create an instance from our student class and try to access the different fields and methods with their access modifier. This is everything what we can reach in our test class. All others are not accessible from our Form1.cs class because of their access modifiers. But let us check what we get if we try to access the missing methods or fields from our location in Form 1. Here you can see the message that let us know the situation and why access is not possible. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.